Hello everyone! In this era, technology is developing rapidly, and various high-tech products are emerging endlessly. Among these high-tech products, remote controls undoubtedly play a very important role. Today, I will introduce an innovative cleaning device, a bidirectional feedback mode industrial remote control. Firstly, let's understand the working principle of a bidirectional feedback mode industrial remote control. This remote control adopts advanced bidirectional feedback technology, which can effectively improve the sensitivity and response speed of the remote control. When you want to operate the cleaning device, just press it lightly and the device will immediately respond to your instructions, achieving easy and convenient operation.